Take number 5.
Sandwich video number 3. You got 2 pieces of bread? Okay. Watch me carefully. Zoom in, Becky. You must want to zoom in. Okay. Okay, this is what you do. Bread.
What is that?
This is mayonnaise.
Oh.
This is mayonnaise. Put on both slices of bread. Okay. How many slices of cheese?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, I'm gonna put like 4.
Okay. No, it's too bad, mean.
Shut up. Like 1 piece of cheese. Okay, and 1.5 pieces.
Yay.
Okay, then you have your turkey. Very good.
There you go, stuff in your face again.
You gotta follow me stuff in my face? Smashing back there behind the set.
This is good.
Yum yum.
Nom nom nom.
Nom. Dang, man, you said it was gonna take up like the whole bag. I should just give you the whole thing.
You call that a sandwich?
You know what? You think you can make a better sandwich?
No.
That's what I thought. It's just
Because I don't make sandwiches.
okay, well, neither do I, but
You're gonna eat my sandwich. Is it good? Is it good?
it's a good sandwich. Your turn.
I don't want to get my face. This is a good sandwich.
Yum yum. Can I have another bite?
Nom.
Nom nom.
Why are you eating my sandwich?